Hello, what's up guys? In this video I will show you how to update iOS version simulator in Xcode without whole Xcode update. So here is the message which is you can see if your real device version is not compatible with the Xcode. Now I can search this on the Google and found the link. I will put this link in the description. I found another link where you can download the iOS device support folders. This GitHub guy will keep on updating new iOS device support versions, so I will download 12.4 and downloaded this. You can see here is 12.4 version of the folder, and here is the location link. I will put this link also in the description. So here is the Xcode app show package content and content developer, and that one is the exact directory where you need to go to put this folder inside. So here is you can see that accurate directory where I gone. Now I will go from the start, so you can see go to an application folder, Xcode show package content and content, and you can see drag the accurate directory. So you can see here the content and then developer folder, and then go to platforms and platform iOS platforms and device support. Now here you can see that list of iOS versions of which is supported by Xcode. So in here I will put that downloaded folder in this directory, so it will make device support for my real device. So it will ask the administrator password. I will put that. Okay, so now you can see this latest folder is here. Now your Xcode will support this version also. Now I am restarting the Xcode. Quit simulator also. I'm relaunching my Xcode. Then the changes will be reflected. If you not restart Xcode, the changes will not be reflected, so you'll confuse. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, so I will keep uploading this type of tricks on my channel. Here you can see that Xcode is open. Now I'm selecting my real device, iPhone, and launching my app. It will loading. Okay. It will take little time because new simulator is downloaded in real device also. Okay, now app is running on my real device. As you know that every year Apple will announce new iOS version in WWDC in the middle of each year, and before that official launch it is crucial for us to test our apps in iOS version environment before we release it to the App Store, so it ensure that it is a stable and crash free app. So this trick is very important. It will save much time for developer to not download a complete Xcode of 10 to 15 GBs. So the trick is very impressive for me. That is why I'm sharing with you guys to save your important time. Please leave me comment about what I will cover in the next video, or if you stuck in something you want to ask me, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching my video.